Welcome to A Taste of Tradition. Today we're diving into the heartwarming world of Polish apple pie, or Szarlotka. This isn't just any apple pie. It's a buttery, crumbly, and utterly delicious classic that's surprisingly simple to master. Our journey begins with a simple, rich short crust pastry. You'll need flour, cold butter, a touch of sugar, and an egg yolk. The secret is to work quickly, keeping the butter cold, to achieve that perfect tender crumb. Now for the star, the apples. We're looking for tart, firm varieties like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. Peel, core, and slice them. Then gently cook them down with a hint of sugar and cinnamon until just tender. This step concentrates their flavor beautifully. Divide your dough, pressing one portion into your pie dish for the base. Pile in that fragrant apple filling. For the top, you can grate the remaining dough over the apples for a rustic crumble, or roll it out for a classic lattice. Bake until golden and bubbling. The aroma alone is incredible. Once cooled, dust your Szarlotka with powdered sugar. Serve it warm with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's a comforting dessert perfect for any occasion, guaranteed to bring smiles.